This video covers adding a starter node to the display using commands on the Add menu. This is the first step when using the incremental approach to build a visual graph. Specifying an arbitrary node can be somewhat cumbersome because there are many objects to select from in a typical store. So the Add menu provides 4 alternative ways to specify a node, each of which may or may not be useful depending on the particular store. The first option, add a node by URI or literal, can always be used, though it requires typing or pasting a URI or literal string. For example, you can copy a complete URI from another program and use the usual Ctrl-V shortcut to paste it into this graph dialog. Exiting the dialog will add a node for that resource to the display. A shorter URI that uses a package namespace abbreviation could be entered if you've defined the abbreviation using the namespace abbreviations command on the Table View Options menu. Here I've defined dbpr as an abbreviation for the dbpedia resource URI prefix. So if I use the Add a Node by URI command a second time, I can, for example, enter bang dbpr Natalie_wood to add a node for that resource. A second way to add an arbitrary node is with the Add a Node by Label command. This alternative is handy if the store contains RDFS label properties that are easy to type. For example, I can simply enter the string Jack Black to find the resource whose label property is that simple string. A third way to add an arbitrary node is the Add a Node by Class command. This alternative can be used only if the store contains triples for the standard subclass of predicate. That's not the case with this store, so this command will be demonstrated in another video. The final way to add an arbitrary node is with the Add a Node from Menus of All Nodes command. The first time you use this command, it will try to arrange all of the resources in the store for presentation, and so this command is useful mainly with a small store where this doesn't take too long. But you can still use it in a larger store by pressing the Q key to interrupt the collection of resources and then choosing one of the resources that it's found so far. The choices are presented as a series of menus where you repeatedly select the next character of your choice until there's no ambiguity. This is actually easier using the keyboard. Now that a starter node is in place, the Link menu can be used to build a visual graph of linked nodes starting from this initial node. That's covered in another video.